Hello everyone, this is Amit Don. I run a small YouTube channel for those who are into thinking outside the box and explore beyond boundaries. And today I'll have a Kindle video. I'll talk about one feature which might help to make you decide whether to get Kindle Basic or Kindle Paperwhite. So we have here Kindle Paperwhite and we have here Kindle Basic, and they're very similar except a few features, and one of them is what I'm going to show you today. The price difference between these two is only about $30 Canadian. So I think if you're buying Kindle Basic, then you also can buy Kindle Paperwhite. But the main feature I'm going to talk about, which might help you to decide whether to get Kindle Paperwhite or Kindle Basic, is the warm temperature or the temperature of the light. What it means that Kindle Kindle Paperwhite comes with this feature to change the temperature of your device. For example, here you can see that how warm or cool it can be. So basically, warm temperature is kind of a little bit yellowish, and cool temperature is going to be a little bit like blue. Scientists have shown, research after research is that warm temperature light or warm light is better for eyes and better for basically everything else, and cooler lights or blue lights may interfere with your sleep pattern, or it's not that healthy. So definitely I love or I would like to have warm temperature on my device rather than cool temperature or blue color of kind of bluish looks. So this feature you're looking at on Kindle Paperwhite actually doesn't come in Kindle Basic, and that's one of the main differences between these two. So it doesn't really a big matter when you're reading them in light, but if you're reading them in dark, then it actually becomes a matter. And that's why I'm showing you this video in dark environment, because I didn't turn on all the lights here. So you can see that if you're looking at here, it's kind of hurting your eyes, and if you're looking at here, it's kind of easy on your eyes. So for example, if I show you here, they both have the same brightness. So if you look here, this is 9, and if you look here, this one is also 9, but here I set the warm to 17, and here it doesn't give you that option. So if you're kind of reading this in a little bit dark environment, or there's not enough light, or your device is not in front of light, then this is how it's going to look, and it's kind of hurts your eyes after a little bit, which I've been noticing when I'm reading my Kindle Basic. So if you're into warm temperature light, or if you like the yellowish looks, definitely this is not something you're going to get in Kindle Basic, and for that reason, or for that one single reason, you may need to consider getting a Kindle Paperwhite. For the next Kindle tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.